Hey everybody, it's your girl Capri coming to you guys with a video. Today we are coming to you guys today. Why do I keep saying that? I got a wig for y'all basically. It is another headband wig. I know I did one last year for you guys. So this one is from Zury Hollywood. This is the velvet non-slip velcro hold and she is VBH Hulu in the color 1. This is what it looks like. And what I will say that I do like so far about this is that it's a velvet grip. So it comes with already, y'all know those velvet grips that you put under your wig to keep your wig from sliding back. It's already built into it. I know my other one was a slippery one and that one would just slide all the way back all the time. So I'm excited about this one and hopefully it does stay on my head a lot better. So let's just get into the wig, y'all. And the velvet feels really nice. It's really soft. So it'll be really soft on your hair. And I like the amount of velcro. This is what was missing in that other one. Like the velcro is going to be tight on your head, I can already tell. So it has the 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, but there is no adjustable straps. But I don't think it's going to even be needed because of how secure it seems like this velcro is. It has a good amount of stretch to it as well. So let's go ahead and slide it on really quick. I just want you guys to see it before I like comb it out and add little cute headbands and stuff to it. And push it forward and secure. Oh yes, that is secure. Secure. Oh yes. Of course, if you have like thick headbands, you can keep it like this. If it's thinner, I always just go ahead and like fold it in half, or I'll fold it under. I'll fold the velcro, or not the velcro, I'll fold the headband part underneath the wig so it's not like super lumpy. So this is what it looks like, not combed out or anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what color this come in. This is a 1. You can get it in a 1B, a 2, a FS 1B30, FS 27430, some RT 2730. You can get it in a burgundy color, a butternut kind of brownish color, maple, and caramel color. So you guys can go look up on the website and things like that what those colors specifically look like, because I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I know any color you get this in is going to be good. The hair feels really good. I have like a slight tangle, but it's nothing crazy. I also haven't combed through it yet, and it's been like in the packaging for a minute. So yeah, you're definitely going to want to detangle it. You can wash this. You can heat it up to 400 degrees so you can curl it and things like that if you find that the curls are starting to loosen up or drop a little bit more than you want them to. And it's also antibacterial. So the cap is antibacterial. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and just turn around for you guys so you guys can see. And here it is. It's nice and flowy. Oh my god, when I tell you it's very light. Besides having the velcro wrapped around my head, I probably put it on a little bit too tight. And you can, like I said, adjust it to your likeness. I just was trying to make sure it was secure, but I don't think it's falling back regardless, so I'm gonna loosen it a little bit. I can comb out these factory light curls, and they're not really like super tight or anything, but I do like a fluffier look. Of course, you can wear these in ponytails, which I'll also show you too. There we go, y'all. This is cute. So yes, y'all, once again, this is Miss Hulu. Let me know your thoughts on, you know, headband wigs. Have you worn one yet? Yay or nay? Do you like them? Do you not like them? What do you think about this one? I personally love this wig. I do of course have my like cons with it. Like, it is going to tangle, of course. Obviously it's synthetic. I do wish there was more hair. I feel like it should be fuller than it is. I don't feel like you can see any tracks, but I definitely don't really know. So I'm gonna turn around again so that y'all can see, and so y'all can see what the top looks like after I pulled the hair to the front. Let me know if y'all see any tracks or anything. But y'all, I think she's dope. I like it. Like I said, just wish there was some more hair. It needs some more strands. It could be fuller. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure that you guys comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified on when I post new videos, because they are coming. I've been slacking for a couple of years now. I know. I'm gonna get back into my love for YouTube, I would say, and I still love you guys, of course, as usual. But yeah, so thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.